Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the new topic of this organic chemistry. That is called what here? Unit number 15. That is called as hydrocarbon. Yesterday we finished the last topic of unit number 14 called as the hyperconjugation effect. In the unit number 14 called as the basic principle of organic chemistry. Now today we discuss here the unit number 15 hydrocarbon. You know that, dear student, you know that the hydrocarbon is what here? So the hydrocarbon, the compound which will be prepared with the help of two types of atom, one called as a hydro and second is called as carbon. So what is the definition of hydrocarbon? So it is defined as those compound which contain a hydrogen, hydro means hydrogen, and carbon called as a hydrocarbon. So any compound which prepared with the help of hydrogen and carbon called as a hydrocarbon. All the organic compound is called as a hydrocarbon because it contains hydrogen as well as carbon. For example, alkane, alkene, alkyne, all these types of member is called as what here? The hydrocarbon. You know that. For example, if we take example of the hydrocarbon especially, so we take the example of the CH4. You know CH4 is a member of alkane. The name of CH4 is called as methane gas or marsh gas. Clear है बेटा? So this CH4 is a methane gas or it is an example of a hydrocarbon. Why? Because it contains a 4 hydrogen, means it contains hydrogen as well as carbon. That's why the CH4 is an example of the hydrocarbon. So in a simple language, in other words, we can say that the any compound which contain a hydrogen as well as a carbon, that's why it is called as हाइड्रोकार्बन. ठीक है बेटा, कोई भी कंपाउंड अगर लेंगे उसमें हाइड्रोजन अगर है और कार्बन, उसे क्या बोलेंगे? हाइड्रोकार्बन. फॉर एग्जांपल ऑल मेंबर ऑफ अल्केन, अल्कीन, अल्काइन और ऑल डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ पेट्रोल, डीजल, ऑयल और इज एग्जांपल ऑफ व्हाट? हाइड्रोकार्बन बिकॉज इट इज प्रिपेयर्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एज वेल एज कार्बन. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ हाइड्रोकार्बन. इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. Explain the classification of hydrocarbon. So the hydrocarbon, you know that it divided into main two types or classified into two types. First, open chain or acyclic aliphatic hydrocarbon, and second, cyclic closed chain hydrocarbon. This H indicate hydrocarbon. In a simple word, H indicate hydrocarbon. So what is the open chain or acyclic aliphatic hydrocarbon? So those hydrocarbon in which carbon are react to each other to form straight chain. It does not contain any cycle. That's why it is called open chain or acyclic aliphatic compound. Clear beta? Any the compound in which the one carbon is attached to another carbon to form the straight chain. Which chain? Straight chain. It is called as a open chain aliphatic hydrocarbon, or it does not contain any cycle. That's why it is called as acyclic aliphatic hydrocarbon. The best example of open chain hydrocarbon what here? For example, we take example of butane. What here beta? If you take the example of butane, so butane is an example of open chain. For example, butane, which has the molecular formula C4H14 is a molecular formula what here? C4, how many H? H10 is a molecular formula of butane. If you take its open form, so how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. And one have the first 3 hydrogen and last have 3 hydrogen. You know that if you change the molecular formula into structure formula, what we write? जो मैंने आपको बेसिक में समझाया बेटा, ठीक है? It is a molecular formula of butane, B-U-T-A-N-E. Why butane? Because it's a member of alkane. Why? Because suffix is what? A-N-E. Clear? So C4H10 is a molecular formula of butane. This MF means molecular formula of butane, or change into structural formula. How many carbon? 4 carbon. Each first have the 3 hydrogen carbon and last have the 3 hydrogen. Remaining we added a 2 hydrogen. So it is a what here? It is called a structural formula of what here? Butane. So it is example of what here? But open chain hydrocarbon. So any compound with the one carbon is attached to another carbon to form straight chain. What chain? Straight. It does not contain any cycle. That's why it is called as open chain or acyclic aliphatic hydrocarbon. Clear है बेटा? Simple. Example क्या है? Butane is an example of open chain acyclic aliphatic hydrocarbon. Clear? Now second, first we describe this portion. पहले start करेंगे, बाद में इसकी तरफ जाएंगे बेटा, ठीक है? Next here, this open chain acyclic aliphatic hydrocarbon are further divided into what here? Two types. First called as saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon and second is called unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbon. ठीक है बेटा, पहले क्या बेटा? Saturated what here? Saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon. Now second unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbon. What is a saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon? You know, aliphatic means those compound which is attract toward the fats. It is called as aliphatics. Fats is a come from the word fats. ठीक है, aliphatic. So the open chain or acyclic aliphatic hydrocarbon further divided into two types. First called what here beta? Saturated or what here? Saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon. For example, alkane, or second unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbon called as alkene alkyne. Now, what is the saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon? So it is defined as those hydrocarbon which contain carbon-carbon single bond. That's why it is called as saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon. For example, alkane. For example, all member of alkane is an example of saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon because it contains carbon-carbon single bond. Clear beta? For example, butane is also example of what here beta? Alkane. It contains carbon-carbon which bond here? Single bond. So any hydrocarbon which contain carbon-carbon single bond, it is called as saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon. Example what here? Alkane. Alkene is a best example of saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon. Now second, unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbon. Example alkene alkyne. So any hydrocarbon which contain carbon-carbon double bond, what here beta? Carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond. Double bond called as alkene, triple bond called as alkyne. Similarly, C single bond, C is called what here but alkene. So any hydrocarbon which contain carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond. So it is called as unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbon. It is the best example of alkene which contain carbon-carbon double bond, whereas the alkyne which contain carbon-carbon triple bond. So any hydrocarbon which contain a carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond, it is called as what here? Unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbon. Example, all member of alkene means double bond, all member of alkyne means triple bond. ठीक है बेटा. Next here, now further this saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon are divided into two types. First called straight chain aliphatic, straight chain what here? Straight chain saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon. शॉर्ट फॉर्म में क्या लिख रहे हैं बेटा हम लोग? एस saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon SAH. Straight chain saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon. Second is branch chain saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon. S indicate saturated, A indicate aliphatic, H indicate hydrocarbon. So straight chain saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon, branch chain saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon. Similarly, straight chain what here? Unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbon. It's also unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbon. U indicate unsaturated, A indicate aliphatic, H indicate hydrocarbon. ठीक है. Now further here, what is a straight chain saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon? So it is defined as those compound which contain a carbon-carbon single bond and a straight chain. It does not contain any branch. Example this. Straight chain अगर रहा बेटा से क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? Saturated what here? It is called as straight chain saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon. The best example of what here beta? Butane. N-butane is example of what here? This example of what here? Straight chain saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon. Second, branch chain saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon. For example, CH3 single bond CH attached to CH3. It is how many carbon contain? How many carbon? 4 carbon. So we take the word Se secondary. इसके लिए अगर CH3 कोई ब्रांच को क्या लिखते हैं? सेकेंडरी और आइसो. और how many carbon? 4 called as what here? Butane. So it is called as the what? The any compound which contain a branch, any one branch, it is called as branch chain saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon. ये CH3 ब्रांच है बेटा. अगर ब्रांच इसको लिखते हैं हम लोग क्या नेम? सेकेंडरी या आइसो ब्यूटेन. एन नॉर्मल के लिए बेटा यानी एग्जांपल क्या आएगी? CH3 सिंगल बॉन्ड CH2 सिंगल बॉन्ड CH2 CH3 इसको व्हाट है? एन ब्यूटेन. नेक्स्ट ईयर the unsaturated hydrocarbon further divided into two types here. First called what? Straight chain unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbon, branch chain what here? Unsaturated what here? Aliphatic hydrocarbon. Now here what is a straight chain? What here? Unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbon is defined as those unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbon which contain carbon-carbon single bond, and what here? It also it contain what here? Carbon-carbon double bond, triple bond to form straight chain. It is called as what? Straight chain unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbon. तो एग्जाम्पल क्या है बेटा इसकी? अब इसकी एग्जाम्पल लिखते हैं बेटा हम लोग CH2 double bond CH single bond CH3. How many carbon? 3 carbon called as the propene. Why propene is a member of alkene? Second, what is branch chain hydrocarbon? Branch chain unsaturated hydrocarbon. So any compound which contain carbon-carbon double bond and it at least have the one branch. Any compound or hydrocarbon which contain carbon-carbon double bond or triple bond and at least one carbon attached to the one branch. It contain a one branch called as a what here? Branch chain unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbon. अब इससे एग्जाम्पल क्या आएगी बेटा? So CH2 double bond CH, clear? Attached to what here? The CH, here CH3 attached to the what here? CH3. Okay, so it is contain one branch. So branch fitting what here? Iso. और क्या लिखते हैं बेटा? शॉर्ट फॉर्म सेकेंडरी लिखते हैं हम लोग, ठीक है. अब इसका नाम क्या? हाउ मेनी कार्बन? इट कंटेन 1 2 3 4 5 कार्बन कॉल्ड व्हाट हियर? पेंटीन. व्हाट हियर? व्हाट पेंटीन? बिकॉज मेंबर ऑफ अल्कीन डबल बॉन्ड हियर, तो आइसो और सेकेंडरी पेंटीन. तो इस तरीके से बेटा हम इसको मतलब अलग अलग कंपाउंड में क्लासीफाई करेंगे, ठीक है. नाउ फर्दर हियर, ओके, so it is all the classification of what here? Open chain acyclic aliphatic hydrocarbon. It divided into two types: saturated hydrocarbon, carbon-carbon single bond alkane; unsaturated hydrocarbon, carbon-carbon double bond, triple bond, alkene alkyne. It further divided into two types: straight chain, branch chain with example definition. Second, straight chain, branch with example and definition. Now second portion here, cyclic or closed chain hydrocarbon. What here? Cyclic or closed chain hydrocarbon. अब इसको समझने के लिए बेटा हम लोग जो है ये पूरा एग्जाम्पल डिफिनेशन कौन कौन से एग्जाम्पल आती है क्या आती है इसको हम लोग थोड़ा सा इसके बाद के लेक्चर में समझेंगे, ठीक है. इसका थोड़ा बेसिकली ये जो भी टॉपिक है 15-20 मिनट चलने वाला है, ठीक है. इसको और डीपली हम एक्सप्लेन करेंगे नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में, ठीक है. तो हमने क्या देखा बेटा यहाँ पर? व्हाट इज हाइड्रोकार्बन? It is defined as those compound which contain hydrogen as well as carbon called as hydrocarbon. For example, all member of alkene, alkene, alkyne is example of hydrocarbon. Or special example what here? Methane is a member of alkane which contain a one carbon and four hydrogen. That's what is example of hydrocarbon. Now classification hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon are divided into two types. First called is what? Open chain or what here? Open chain aliphatic hydrocarbon or acyclic aliphatic hydrocarbon. Second, cyclic closed chain what here? Hydrocarbon. Clear? Now the what is open chain means a compound or hydrocarbon containing carbon-carbon single bond. Straight chain called what here? The open chain or acyclic aliphatic hydrocarbon. Example butane लिए यहाँ पे. Next here the compound further divided into two types: saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon, unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbon. The compound contain carbon-carbon single bond called saturated called example alkane. The compound which contain carbon-carbon double bond, triple bond called is what here? Unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbon. It divided into two types depend upon the group. If a straight chain called straight chain hydrocarbon, it contains one branch called branch chain hydrocarbon. Second, similarly, the double bond, triple bond compound contains straight chain called straight chain unsaturated hydrocarbon here. The compound which contain a double bond, triple bond, it is also called as what here? Unsaturated what here? Branch chain aliphatic hydrocarbon. इस तरीके से हमने एक पोर्शन ओपन चेन और acyclic aliphatic hydrocarbon एग्जाम्पल लिखा यहाँ पे. उसके बाद के नए लेक्चर में क्या देखेंगे हम लोग? What is cyclic hydrocarbon? Cyclic compound, it's a different classification. Okay, thank you so much.